Okay, in this video, I'll show you how to add music to video clips in DaVinci Resolve in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you're editing a vlog, short film, YouTube video, or social media clip, adding the right music can completely change the feel of your project. And the good news is, DaVinci makes this process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy editing tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me you want more DaVinci Resolve tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project you want to work on. If you already have your video clip on the timeline, that makes things even easier. If not, go to the Media page, import your video file, and then drag it down into the Edit page timeline. This is where you'll be placing your music. Now, to add music, you need an audio file. This can be an MP3, WAV, or another supported format. If you already have a music track saved on your computer, you can import it directly into DaVinci Resolve. You can do this by going to the Media pool, right-clicking, and choosing Import Media, or by simply dragging the audio file from your desktop into the Media pool. Once the music file is in your project, drag it onto an empty audio track beneath your video clip in the timeline. If you don't have an audio track yet, DaVinci Resolve will create one automatically when you drop the file in the right place. Make sure the music starts where you want it to begin. You can line it up with the beginning of your video or place it later if you want it to build at a specific moment. If the music is too long, you can trim it by moving your cursor to the end of the audio clip and dragging it shorter. If it's too short, you can duplicate it or choose a different track that fits your video length. You can also split the audio if you only want a certain section. Just place the playhead where you want the cut and use the blade tool or the shortcut to split the clip. Next, let's make sure the music sounds balanced with your video. A lot of beginners make the mistake of leaving music too loud, which can overpower dialogue or voiceover. To fix this, click the audio clip and lower the volume in the inspector, or use the volume line directly on the clip in the timeline. A good starting point is to bring the music down until it supports the video without distracting from it. If your clip has spoken audio, this step is especially important. You want the background music to sit underneath the dialogue, not fight with it. You can even add keyframes to lower the music during speaking parts and raise it during silent or cinematic sections. That gives your edit a much more polished, professional feel. You can also fade the music in and out to make the transition smoother. To do this, hover near the beginning or end of the audio clip and drag the fade handles. A gentle fade in at the start and fade out at the end can make the audio feel much more natural. If you want to match the music to specific moments in your video, try playing the timeline and listening for beats, transitions, or dramatic points. Then cut or reposition the music so those moments line up with your visuals. This is one of the easiest ways to make your edit feel more intentional and engaging. Another helpful tip is to use multiple audio tracks if your project has more than one sound element. For example, you might have one track for voiceover, one for background music, and another for sound effects. Keeping everything organized makes editing much easier and helps you control the final mix. When you're happy with the placement and volume, play the full section back and listen carefully. Make sure the music starts at the right time, doesn't clip or distort, and supports the mood of your video. If anything feels off, adjust the timing or volume until it sounds right. And that's really all there is to it. Once you know how to import your music, place it on the timeline, trim it, and balance the volume, you can add music to any video clip in DaVinci Resolve with confidence. It's a small step that makes a huge difference in the final result. If this video helped you, please remember to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who's learning DaVinci Resolve too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.